Okay guys, so today I'm gonna show you a video about how am I going to clean my Aula Mechanical Demon King keyboards. So this is how it looks. I'm in the box. Okay, so it's Aula Demon King, it's from China. So this is the keyboard, this is how it looks. It's definitely worth a buy. I have been using this for months, that's why I'm planning to clean it. There's a lot of dust recently and I found a lot of hair. There's definitely a lot of hair and dust inside. So I'm gonna tell you what's inside the box. The Aula keyboard actually comes with a key. Here's it is. The key. This key is used to remove the key. Yeah, a key to remove a key. Yep, it's very easy and convenient. This is how it looks inside. I'm using a Aula Demon King mechanical blue switch keyboards. So let's process to how we're gonna clean it. Okay guys, so this is how it looks after you remove all the mechanical keys. As you can see, that it's very dusty. Those hairs inside, that's stuck inside. Okay. So before I continue the cleaning process, just some nice advice. You will never want to open up these long keys, big keys, and long keys. Why? Because you see, inside there's a stick inside. They are always fully attached. If you have no idea how to fix this, I truly recommend that don't open up this, because it's gonna be a very tough job to actually put it back. As you see, they are fully attached. Okay, just some advice. I strongly recommend you not to use a hairdryer. Why so? Because if you are using a hairdryer, the heat may destroy the plastics inside. This is just a very thin plastics to prevent water get inside your mechanical keyboard. A mechanical keyboard is very expensive, so you might not want to, heat up your keyboards and it melts. So now we will continue the process. What I'm going to use today is a dust removal. What's it called? I forgot. Never mind, it's okay. A towel, I guess. A dust removal towel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just pull it lightly, just to remove the dust as well as the hair. I found a lot of hair though, so just clean it. Okay guys, so we reached the end of the cleaning process. As you can see that all the dust and included hair is removed. So just some really nice advice for those people who owns mechanical keyboards. A mechanical keyboard, some parts they actually doesn't have like waterproof preparation for you. Okay, so just like my Aula keyboards, you can see that there's a spot right here, there's a hole, and there's a hole here as well. So a mechanical keyboard mainly they design just to protect you from a lot of things, because they know that the process to make a mechanical keyboard is very expensive. So they actually design your mechanical keyboard most of the time to prevent water leaking. What I mean by water leaking is the water will not get inside your keyboard and destroy the parts inside. So as you can see that there's a lot of plastics protecting your keys. So now after cleaning it, we'll definitely have to press in everything.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Alright guys, that's about it. After taking some long time to fix back my mechanical key. So after you have fixed back, so I'll recommend you to actually press it so it actually sticks back. Okay. So if you happens to hear like some weird sound happenings, it means your key does not stick on point. So that's about it on how you actually dry clean your mechanical keyboard. Hope to see you in the next video.